Ready to freeze your socks off? Welcome to Snag Yukon. Snag Yukon holds the record for Canada's lowest temperature at a bone-chilling -63.0 degrees Fahrenheit. That's colder than your freezer. This tiny village is a survivor's paradise. In the 1940s, it was a bustling airfield, but today, it's more like a snowy ghost town. Imagine waking up to frost on the inside of your windows. Yikes. So, how do the hardy residents cope? Layers and layers of clothing. Think Michelin Man, but make it fashion. Hot drinks are a must. Coffee, tea, and hot chocolate are practically lifelines. And let's not forget, some serious insulation for their homes. Despite the cold, there's a unique charm to Snag. The stunning winter landscape, incredible northern lights, and the sense of adventure make it a bucket list spot for true travel enthusiasts. So, would you brave the cold and visit Snag in winter?